What's going on, everyone? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to today's gold analysis video. This is for hourly time frame, and this ascending triangle which I have been mentioning from a long time. This is the top band and this is the bottom band, and we got this is the first touch, this one is the second touch, and this is the third touch at the bottom band. And I was expecting a break to this bottom band and it can move to the downside continuously, but eventually it didn't happen and gold got a breakout from this upside. Okay, if talking about this upside top side of this ascending triangle, we have around four touches. This is the first one, this is the second one, third, the fourth one is also got rejected, but here we got a breakout. Okay, so now we can see gold is clearly moving bullish, and it has already it already got a breakout here. So now we are looking for a new high, and our bias for the day and for coming trading days will be bullish only, as long as we are holding above this black support line. Okay, as long as we are trading above this black support line, we are bullish in gold. And for gold to become bearish, it will have to break below 2020, and then we can see a move to the downside, and this upside move can get cancelled out, and we can go for 1980. Okay, so we need a break below 2020 for gold to come into the bearish zone. But as long as we are above this bearish structure, I can see gold is bullish. Okay, and the reason is, if we talk about the fundamental part, we got this geopolitical escalation between US and the Middle East, and also the investors are speculating the rate cut in the next Fed meeting. So that is the reason why we are seeing the bullish move in gold, and the dollar index is getting weaker. Okay, so this is about the 4 hourly time frame. Let me show you the 1 hourly time frame. I have a separate charts for 4 hour, 1 hour, and also 15 minutes, because in the 4 hour in this chart I look for the 4 hour and daily setups for the swing trade ideas, and in this 1 hourly time frame I am majorly looking for intraday trade setups. Okay, so what do we have and what happened yesterday? Let me show you. Okay, we got this resistance area which have been respecting from a long time. We got this one rejection, this was the second one, this was the third one, this was the fourth one, and also we got a rejection for a while yesterday and it moved down. Okay, but before the US Open we got this breakout. Okay, and why we do not shorted gold at this area yesterday in my trade plan which I have sent earlier? Because the effectiveness of this resistance line is getting lesser, because we got a multiple attempt by price to break it. Okay, so this is the rule, like if the resistance line become less effective if the price is approaching and price is trying to break it for a multiple time. And we had seen this 4 times already, and on the 5th attempt it got a breakout, and that's what we have discussed in our daily video, that if you are getting a break above this level, then we will be looking for a buy entry. And we got this move and it got rejected from this resistance area. Okay, that which is 2048 and 2050. From here it got a rejection. So if we talk about price action in the gold, the price action is not really good. Okay, you just need to take care about one thing, that you have to take your pace of buy from the trading and get out of it. Okay, so talking about today's trade idea, I can clearly see we got this support. Okay, yeah, so we got a support over here. Okay, it can move like this. If you can see, we have this support and it can move further to the upside. Okay, any break from this level, it can move to the upside, and this is our resistance area. Okay, if we talk about the pattern, if we talk about the levels, the level is a pullback by around 2028 to 2030. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot of this, you can do that. So this is going to be our trade ideas for the day. Okay, a break above 2039 a break above 2039 will be a buy entry for 2048 again, and we can short for a while from this area. Okay, and talking about the economic data today, we have GDP, ADP non-farm employment change data before NFP. So this is going to be a very important data, and it can this zone will be a data dependent approach. We will see how the data came and we will decide what to do here. Okay, but we are looking for a sale at this point. Okay, if we talk about the trade ideas, because we have the Fed interest rate decision as well as we have non-farm payroll. Okay, ahead ahead of this week. So we are looking for a sale around this area 2048 to 2050. A double top will be ideally good for a seller setup, and we are looking for a pullback breakout around 2028 2030. So this is what we are looking at. Okay, if we switch it into the 15 minutes time frame for the day setup, you can see this is like a head and shoulder setup. How a head and shoulder setup? This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and also we can see this is a neckline area. Okay, so if we are breaking below this neckline area, it can give sellers opportunity too. Okay, and we have this support at 2022. So here it will be a buyer buying, like I can see it as a support for now, and in our trade idea we will be looking for a buy around this area. But if we are getting a clear rejection at this level, if you are getting a clear rejection from this level, and if it is getting back tested, then it will be a seller's entry and it will be a breakout from the head and shoulders neckline area, and we will be looking for a sell up to 2018 2020. Okay, so these are our important levels for the day, and again I'm marking out the trade ideas for your reference. So what we are looking for in terms of data today, we are looking for buy, because we already got a breakout out of this bullish bearish structure, and we are looking for a buy at around 2028 2030 area. Safe buys above 2038 2039, and from here we will be looking for a sell. Okay, and if we are getting a break below this area, then a clear break will be a seller's entry to target 2020. Okay, and 2020 is going to be our high risk high reward setup for a long entry. Okay, so if you want a screenshot, you can do that. So this is what we are looking for in gold today. So that's all about today's video in gold. I hope you like my analysis, and I would just advise all of you guys that keep your analysis simple. Okay, just don't use many technical indicators and trend lines and everything. Just look at the simple structure, just use the 1 hour and 15 minutes time frame, and you will get the really good idea about what is going to next in the market. Okay, so that's all about today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you feel my videos are good for you, then just give a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for such kind of videos. Okay, have a nice day.